Welcome to a deep dive into the hidden engines of your ambition. Today we're looking at Dynein. We will explore the structure of this protein, how it literally walks across your cells, and why it is the key to your drive. Most people think motivation is just a feeling or a state of mind, but at its core, motivation is a biological movement. Deep inside your cells, there is a constant logistics operation happening. Every neurotransmitter and protein has a destination. Enter Dynein. It's one of the primary motor proteins in your body. Think of it as the ultimate heavy lifter of the cellular world. This isn't just a blob of tissue, it's a complex molecular machine with two legs, a stalk, and a cargo-carrying head. It doesn't just float around, it travels on specialized tracks called microtubules, the highways of your cells. In a process that looks incredibly human, Dynein literally walks. It takes discrete steps, moving towards the center of the cell. But movement requires fuel. For Dynein, that fuel is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the universal currency of biological energy. Every step Dynein takes consumes a molecule of ATP. It converts chemical energy into physical mechanical work. The cargo it carries is vital. We're talking about organelles, vesicles, and signaling molecules that tell your body what to do. In your brain, Dynein is responsible for transporting the precursors of dopamine and serotonin to where they are needed. This is where it gets interesting. Motivation, that drive to achieve, relies on the efficient delivery of these chemicals. If Dynein isn't working, your dopamine doesn't reach the synapse. Without that signal, you feel sluggish, unmotivated, and stuck. When you feel like you can't get off the couch, it might literally be a breakdown in your cellular transportation system. Chronic stress and poor nutrition can actually impair Dynein's ability to function, leading to that brain fog we all hate. So how do you optimize your molecular motors? It starts with the same things that optimize your life: sleep, movement, and fuel. During sleep, your cells clear out metabolic waste that clogs the tracks, allowing Dynein to move freely again. Physical exercise increases the production of ATP, ensuring your Dynein motors have all the fuel they need to keep moving. The right nutrients, proteins, and healthy fats provide the building blocks for the Dynein structures themselves. But there's a mindset shift here too. Realizing that your motivation is a machine means you can maintain it. You aren't lazy, you might just have a poorly maintained engine. When you take care of the biology, the psychology follows. Resistance is a part of the process. Even Dynein has to overcome molecular drag to take every single step. It's a struggle at the microscopic level, but it keeps walking. It doesn't stop because the environment is thick. It just keeps burning ATP. Persistence isn't just a virtue, it's a fundamental law of your biology. Your body is built to keep moving forward. Imagine trillions of these motors in your body right now, all working together to keep you alive and focused. When you finally take action, you complete the loop. You signal to your cells that the transport was worth the energy. This creates a positive feedback loop. Success at the macro level reinforces the efficiency at the micro level. For the average man, the advantage isn't in brilliance, it's in the maintenance of his internal drive. The man who understands his biology can outpace the man who only relies on his willpower. Willpower is finite, biology is renewable. Consistency isn't magic, it's mechanical. It's making sure the tracks are clear and the fuel is high every single day. Start thinking of your daily habits as maintenance for your Dynein motors. Are you clearing the tracks or clogging them? You have the most sophisticated motor in the universe inside you right now. Don't let it sit idle. Ignite the fuel, clear the path, and let those motors take the first step toward your biggest goals. If you found this deep dive helpful, think about how you can apply this biological lens to your own productivity today. Remember, Dynein is your cellular motor. Motivation isn't just a feeling, it's a physical transport process. ATP is your fuel, and your daily habits are the maintenance that keeps the tracks of your mind clear. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive. I'm Bo Flannery, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we apply this to high-performance habits. Coming up next, we'll take these biological principles and turn them into a daily routine that works. Until then, keep those motors moving. We'll see you soon.